Friends, check it out. There are many toys here and I will review one by one. This is my kitten, check it out. Oh, this is Abang. And I'm accompanied by my kitten to review these toys. Alright, the first one I have dinosaur. Oh, amazing friends, check it out. Abang plays with this dinosaur. Check it out. Are you afraid with this dinosaur? Oh, the kitten seems like curious, but seems like afraid too. My kitten plays with this dinosaur. This is fun. This is so fun. Check it out. We play with the kitten. This is so fun. Check it out. Alright, let's put this dinosaur down. And the next, we have 11. Whoa, let's play with the kitten again. Whoa, this kitten is so aggressive, energetic. Whoa, the kitten beat the 11 toys. This is so cute. Check it out, friends. Kitten plays with the 11 toys. Alright, stop it. And next, we are going to review the other toys here. This is dinosaur. Alright friends, this dinosaur is so rare because of the heads is two heads. It has two heads. This is so rare and this is unique. The color of dinosaur is orange. Oh, this is awesome. It has two heads. Alright friends. Next, we have green shark. Whoa, amazing friends. This is green shark. Oh, this is wild animal. Check it out. Shark live on the sea. Oh, this is awesome, friends. This is shark. Oh, amazing. And the last one, we have, what is it? Oh, Hulk action figure. Alright friends, this is Hulk. It has big body Hulk. Oh, this is awesome.